it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat. Today I'm showing you these adorable plushies and cool toys from Grin Studio. Thank you so much to Grin Studio. It's a great time to fill those Easter baskets, and these products are perfect. You can find them at Target, Meijer's, and you can get them at Joann Stores. And you can purchase these things online. Let's get started. I cannot wait to show you these. They're so super cute. Adorable Poochis. Poochis, friends, they're so super cute. This is like a little purple chick, and when you squeeze, you get a surprise. Whoa! It's a sparkly, squishy surprise. And they sent us 2 of these balls. Unfortunately, one of the balls took a walk, but I did show it already on my TikTok. It was an Easter egg inside. And what's super awesome is inside there's some glitter and some die cut sparkles in there. Bounce it, it lights up. How cool is that? What a nice addition to an Easter basket. Really will make Easter baskets look super cool. Hold amazing squishy plushies, and they are super amazing. They have sparkly eyes. This one is a cute ladybug. Love the sparkly antennae. So squishy, so slow rise, and so cute and cuddly. So adorable. Put that in there. Let's see how nicely this comes out. And this is really awesome. This is called the Light Up Magic Egg Wand. Look inside there. There's a unicorn in there. There's lights. It's got little styrofoam balls in there. And it lights up. It looks really cool at night. So this is a great addition too. Amazing squishy plushie. This is perfect for spring. We have a little bumblebee. Look how cute these wings are. I love the iridescent wings. Super duper slow ride. And I know a lot of the stores are closed. I know Target's not closed, but I know Joann Stores are closed, but I think you can order online. Now this one, look how squishy this little Poochis is. There's little Poochis, friends, too, and this is a little bunny rabbit. Look how cool this is. A look at this. What a great collection. Thank you so much to Grin Studios for sending this to me. I love their stuff. I always find them in the Target holiday section, and I never even realized it. They're the people who make the Dig Diamond. They make all the cool slimes for Target. So anytime you get like holiday slimes, like for Valentine's Day, even Easter, for Christmas, they are the people behind it, and they make such great stuff. At New York Toy Fair, I saw a whole bunch of awesome stuff that they made, things that I didn't even know that they created, like all of these slime packs. We have gigantic squishies, adorable squishies with like sparkly eyes. We have big giant plushies, smaller plushies, sequin surprise plushies. You name it, this company makes it. So I am a big fan of theirs now. I am totally blown away with their product line, and I can't wait to see more. This year's gonna be crazy for Grin Studios, so watch out. They have some awesome things coming out. This is just the tip of the iceberg, this offering right here that I have for you. So hopefully you see some things, or you saw some things that you liked, and you could fill an Easter basket for your loved one, or just treat yourself and get yourself some squishies, some stress relievers. We need this now, especially. And they make awesome toys. So thank you so much to Grin Studios. If you're still watching, I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also follow me on IGTV, at Twitter, Facebook, and I'm on TikTok at Toy Mom, where I have some fun posting some silly 15-second videos being wacky and silly. So thanks for watching, and happy Easter, and be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.